Powerpipe, the leading manufacturer of pre-insulated district heating and district cooling pipes in Scandinavia, and with export around Europe and the Middle East, is located in Hisingsätra by the E6 highway north of Gothenburg in Sweden. Powerpipe combines the flexibility in the local organization with the strength from being part of the global Kingspan Group. Through well-planned made-to-order production and smart storage setup of standard products, we can deliver most of the 24,000 parts in our product portfolio within 2 to 3 weeks. Our skilled forklift drivers handles both small and big pipes with the same care. The pipes can be up to 18 meters long. Safety is always first priority. The environment and climate change guides us in every decision, and our production is powered by 100% climate-neutral energy. And of course, we use district heating to heat our own buildings. We extrude our outer pipes in our own workshop up to 1 meter in diameter. In the assembly, we marry the media pipe with the outer pipe. We use these distances to keep the pipe centered and to assure the alarm wires are in correct positions. The manufacturing follows European and Swedish standards and requires a lot of handcraft. Even pipes that weighs over 1,000 kilos requires fine handling and a well-trained eye to be perfect. The insulation between the media pipe and the outer pipe consists of a per or pier foam that is inserted into the pipes as a liquid that later expands inside the pipe. When the foam has cured, a quality check of the alarm wires is made before plugging the foam filling hole. The quality of the foam is controlled multiple times per day. After individual traceability marking, the pipe is ready to be transported to the yard and wait to be sent to a customer. Powerpipe is a technical leader, and we rapidly do 3D models of new requests to quality assure the production, and so that our customer can simulate their projects. Cross-functional teams make sure the model and the parts are up to customer expectations and can be manufactured with good quality. When building district heating networks with pipes from Powerpipe, you can trust your installations for many years to come. Every truck leaving Powerpipe loaded with pipes to be delivered to a customer is one step closer to our common goal of a climate-neutral society. We are proud of delivering quality products on the right time. We keep our promises.